Are you wanting to start using essential oils but just not know where to start? Are you wondering maybe what are the most popular oils or what should I try first? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 essential oils that I recommend everybody should start with. And be sure to stay all the way to the end where I'm going to share with you how you can get my free essential oil guide. As a wellness educator for the last 12 years, I have taught hundreds of classes on essential oils on various topics. But as you're just starting out, you need to make sure that you have some basic single oils and blends in your toolbox. And then from these essential oils, you can make your own blends or start expanding from there. If you're brand new to essential oils, not sure what they're all about or maybe how to use them, be sure to watch my video on how to use essential oils. Let's start off our list with lemon essential oil. Now, lemon is known for being very fresh and invigorating, and it's commonly used for its cleansing properties. I want you to think about that and think of all of the different cleansing household cleansers that you have around your house that say lemon scent on them. And it's not just for the scent. Lemon is actually really great at helping to get rid of grime, stickiness, dirt, and toxins that could be lurking around. So using lemon essential oil is a great ingredient for you in making your own natural cleaning products. So for me, my favorite thing to do is to have a spray bottle with water, a little bit of vinegar, and I add my lemon essential oil in that. And then that can be used as my all-purpose spray. I use it to clean counters, I use it to clean my sinks, my windows, my mirrors. It's perfect for stainless steel, really gets those to shine. It's also a natural detoxifier. So adding a little bit of lemon to your drinking water every day is a great way to naturally and gently get that detox going and get rid of those toxins that could be lurking in your body. And it doesn't have any of the acidic that the fruit would have, which is really great. Lavender oil is a must-have for relaxation and promoting a restful night's sleep. It's renowned for its calming and aroma and also properties. So I want you to think of that. When you think of lavender, I want you to think calming. So it's really great calming for your mind. So if you're feeling stress or anxious feelings, using some lavender can really help to calm that mind down. If you have any irritations on your skin, if you have cuts, scrapes, rashes, burns, things like that, grabbing lavender essential oil is going to be very calming to the skin and really help in that process. So having lavender is going to be great. I love to add a little bit to Epsom salt and add it to my warm bath as a great relaxation at night, calm my mind and my body before I go to sleep. Peppermint essential oil is very versatile. It has that cooling sensation and really a fresh and invigorating aroma. So it's commonly used, and I use it a lot for alleviating some head tension. So if I'm having head tension, I add a little bit of peppermint right to my temples, rub that in. I might add it a little bit to the back of my neck. You can put some in your hands, take some deep breaths, and for me, that really helps to relieve that discomfort that I'm having. It's also very invigorating. So adding it, you could add it with that lemon, put it in your hands, take some deep breaths, and it's going to give you, kind of wake you up, make you more alert, and help you just breathe a little bit better. It's also great for the respiratory system. So if you need help with clearer breathing, you could add a little bit to your chest. Again, you could put it in your hands, cup it, take a deep breath, and that's a great way to use it. Adding it to a diffuser where that mist is going will also help with that respiratory. And it's also good for the digestive system. If you're having some nausea, you could just smell the essential oil right from the bottle or in your hands. That can help to alleviate the nausea, or rub it right on your stomach for any other stomach discomforts. Tea tree, which is also known as melaleuca, is widely recognized for its cleansing properties. It's often used to support healthy looking skin and clear complexion. So if I have anyone that's my teenagers that have some blemishes going on, some acne, we grab some tea tree oil and put that right on their skin. You could add it also to moisturizer or even to a fractionated coconut oil, and that would be really helpful. But tea tree is also really good for those skin irritations as well. So I love to add it also with my lavender when I do have those cuts and scrapes or rashes, things of that nature. I also love to keep tea tree in my shower. It's great for a healthy scalp, so you can add it right onto your scalp or add it to your shampoo. And if you have kids that are coming and going from school or other places, sometimes lice comes around, and so I love to have tea tree in with our shampoo to keep those pesky critters out of our house. Frankincense essential oil is known as the king of oils. And this isn't only because it's very highly valuable and it was given to kings, but also because of its complex makeup, as it's good for so many different things. It's very grounding and calming, which can help when you're feeling anxious or stressed or sad. It's also used a lot during any type of meditations, prayer, yoga practices. It helps you feel that connection spiritually, have a spiritual awareness. So taking it, breathing it in, rubbing it on some of those pressure points, you could add it to your diffuser, which is really great. It's also really good for aging skin. So if you have some fine lines, some wrinkles like me, you can add it right onto your skin to help calm those down. You could add it right to your moisturizer for some added benefit as well. I love to add a drop of frankincense also under my tongue every day. And that just really helps with brain function, helps me focus, have a clearer mind, memory, things like that. And so frankincense is really great. Like I said, it is used for almost anything. So we usually, when in doubt, you're going to grab frankincense because it can be used for so many different things. Oregano essential oil is very potent, and it's known for its immune supporting properties. So it has lots of powerful antioxidants that really help not only with your immune system, but can also help with your respiratory function. So I like to use it mainly internally. I'll put a drop of oregano in an empty capsule and swallow it when I need some of that added benefit. It's very strong, so if you are going to put oregano on your skin, be sure that you are using a carrier oil like a fractionated coconut oil, so it doesn't have any skin irritations. I do love to add it with a blend called On Guard, which I'm going to share with you later, which will give you some added boost for your immune system, especially during that winter months. Okay, so those were 6 single oils that I recommend everybody should have in their toolbox. Now I'm going to tell you about my 4 blends that I recommend. Now, when I say a blend, that means these all have multiple essential oils that are really targeted for a specific need. Okay, so the very first one we're going to talk about is a blend called Breathe. Now, Breathe is a unique blend, as you can imagine from its name, to help promote clear breathing and to help that respiratory system. So it has oils such as peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon to really help give that invigorating aroma, but also that clear breathing. So how I would use Breathe, you could rub it right on your chest. That's really great. You can add it to your hands, rub it, cup, take some deep breaths, especially if you are feeling some trouble in that breathing. If you're feeling stuffy or congested, you could add some right over your sinuses, over the bridge of your nose, bottom of your feet on those respiratory or on those reflex points, especially if you have little children. The bottom of the feet is a great place for you to be putting essential oils. It's a less sensitive area and it still gets into the body and used the way it needs to be. So it's a really great way to use it. Of course, you can also put it in a diffuser and have that benefit of the Breathe oil. Digestive essential oil is a blend that's carefully formulated to aid in digestion, support, and also soothe that stomach upset that you might have. So it has oils such as ginger, peppermint, and fennel. These really are comforting to the digestive system. So you can put this directly right on your stomach. If I'm having any type of discomfort, bloating, anything of that nature, I'll just put it right on my stomach, rub it in a circular motion to help those intestines kind of get working and moving the way they need to. And that has some really quick relief for me. You can also, like I said, put it on the bottom of the feet on reflex points. You could put it directly in in your mouth as well. I put a drop under my tongue, or you could put it in your drinking water and drink it that way to really get that digestive help that you need. Deep Blue is a powerful blend that's created to help soothe those sore muscles and joints. So it has oils like wintergreen, camphor, and blue tansy that really have that warming and that cooling sensation. So if you've used other products that do that warming and cooling, that really helps in that muscle and joint pain that you might be having, this is something that does the same thing, but it's all natural and comes from plants, which is awesome. So it's perfect not only for those who are working out or athletes, but anyone. I wake up in the morning sometimes and I have stiff neck or shoulders, and adding some Deep Blue right on there will give me some comfort and relief. So add it right on your skin, right where you need it. Put it right on those joints and those muscles. Now you could do it plain. You could add it with a carrier oil like a fractionated coconut oil, or a natural unscented lotion, and really massage into those tissues. Is very helpful. Last but certainly not least, we have the blend called On Guard. Now this is a very powerful protective blend. It has oils such as cinnamon, clove, wild orange that are all really good to help support your immune system. So On Guard can be used every single day as kind of a preventative way to keep that body, and your health staying on track, right? Keep that immune system working properly. And then if you are starting to feel under the weather, you can use it more frequently throughout the day. So some ways that I use On Guard is I'll put a drop under my tongue. It does have those strong oils like the cinnamon and the cloves. So if you don't like that, you could rub it right on the bottom of your feet, which, like I talked about, that's really great. Put it in those reflex points. You could add it to an empty veggie capsule and swallow it, so you can get those added benefits without tasting it. Putting it in your diffuser is a great way to use it as well. So there you have it. Those are my 10 recommended essential oils that every family should have in their repertoire to be able to use. Now, I want you to make sure that you know how to use all the essential oils, not just the 10 I talked about. So make sure that you have grabbed my free essential oil guide. If you look in the description, you can see the link for that. And if you enjoy videos like this about natural products and essential oils, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Click that bell so you're notified next time I post a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.